President Uhuru Kenyatta augite umwe wa maria atongoria aya maiguithanirie ni kuruga makiria mieke ya wonjoria gatagati ga bururi wa Kenya na Zambia. Giikaro-ini utuku wa irathingiraini wa iregi atongoria aya ni maraririirie njira cia kueheria mihinga iria ikoretwo ikihotomia uhuri biashara gatagati ga mabururi maya meri.
So we agreed with my brother that we will advance this discussion to our regional discussion tables, AU tables, so we then can walk to our colleagues in Europe, China, America, elsewhere, holding hands, and we'll be able to negotiate better and more beneficial transactions for all our countries.
The friendship between our two countries and the cooperation and the mutual respect that exists between our two countries can only but continue to blossom.
President Hakainde akiuga he bata wiguano uria mabururi maya meri mandikaniire ukorwo kihingio niguo kugwithia garama ya kuonjoria.
Those that came before us worked hard to create relationships, and us now, leaders from the two countries and on this continent and the globe, it's our duty to entrench those relationships. Truly.
We see Zambia as a strategic and a vital trading partner, but also an investment partner for Kenya in several areas. Trade and investment will remain one of the strongest pillars of our bilateral relations.
Bururi wa Kenya na Zambia ni mamwe ma mabururi ma mbere maria mekirire kirore iremithia kuhuthia wonjoria gatagati ga mabururi ma gitaru kia Africa.
Two things are bothering us: the cost of fuel, the cost of fertilizer. Now, if we put our heads together, for example, we are discussing with him, two of us, that I said, President, I hear you're mooting an idea to consortium purchase of fuel so that we can negotiate better. Everything is negotiable.